Hi everybody! Today I want to share with you and review my painting process of a magical old street of Brno, which is the second biggest city in the Czech Republic and also my hometown. You can see the drawing process in my previous video, see a link on the right. In this review, I focus on color. Color is everything for me. It has tone. It has energy. Can you feel it too? So for this painting, I chose to have color blocks as background to lead me and inspire me with the detailed coloring, as well as to have some darker and lighter defined areas. Now I should tell you a bit about the street walk in this video. You see me approaching the place of the painting. I wanted to show you its surroundings. It is next to a nice shopping mall with a great vegetarian restaurant where I like to go often. We will get there soon. The street of the painting is very photogenic and not crowded because there are no shops, just cafes, pubs, restaurants, the church, and one of the entrances to the city hall. It is just around the corner. If you watched my previous work, you might have noticed that I like to create blocks of paint with sharp edges. I call it a mosaic style. And Procreate tools are great for this kind of work. By the way, this painting is the most detailed painting of an old city that I have ever made digitally. I know there are rules of perspective, but I just follow what I see, and because I want my style to remain whimsical, I intentionally distort reality a bit. As for the color palette, I chose my photo from Tribeca at sunset. It was tweaked a lot, so the colors are not completely natural. I will explain what I call natural colors in my next videos. As you can see, there is no green in this color palette, and because I like to work with complementary colors, this color palette was quite a challenge for me in the end. That's why you will see so many color versions of my painting in this video. I don't know why, but I really like the work on the most distant buildings. They gave the whole picture the final accent. I will show you these buildings later in this video in real life. It's funny how a city you know so well becomes a fairy tale place. I love showing reality in a new, colorful code. So here you see the entrance to the shopping mall called Velký Špalíček, and we are entering the street of the painting. Almost there, but not yet. I call this artwork Colored Cobblestones because I was really looking forward to color them. By the way, it's always hard for me to come up with a title. I just love to channel what our creator wants to show through me, and then I'm scrambling for words, many times surprised at what came out. Yes, there is some intent and planning, but when I get an idea and pursue it, I'm like in a zone. I'm sure you've experienced it yourself if you are a creator. Here it is, the view of Dominikanska from my painting and the steps to the city hall, and also the first color versions. We have just seen the side of my painting, and surprise, there will be another one of my other paintings of this street. Just wait till I get there. But before that, here are my most favorite versions of the colored cobblestones painting. Here it is. The street is called Dominikanska and the painting is called Dominikanska Curve. I wanted to do two paintings, one from each side of the street. Which one is your favorite? This one or the colored cobblestones? I made an earlier video with my process of this painting. You will see the link to it at the end. Pivnice Popie, brewery called Bad. Brno is a pretty place. It has a long history and is surrounded by nature. I have a couple of other paintings from this forest in my playlist Lenkatalska art. So before I say bye, here is my greeting from the vegetarian restaurant I talked about with a view